Hi, my name is Rick Suarez, and I wrote the book that you're seeing on the screen. This book, the title is called Back to Basics, a roadmap for real estate agents. This book is about the very basics that is needed to be successful in this business. I wrote this about 2, 3 years ago, and I have made several changes. This is now version, I believe, 2 or 3. And this book is covers every corner that you need to do to be successful in this business. We have how to deal with for sale by owners, what's a distressed property and how to find them, how to work expired listings, which is a great source of business, how to really work a farm area, what is sphere of influence and how to work that, how to deal with investment properties, how to do a simple CMA. What's digital marketing all about? Basically, it covers all the areas that you're going to need to be successful. And the key here is just work very little every day, right? Take 2 to 3 hours, but take 2 to 3 hours working the business. And when I say 2 to 3 hours, I mean prospecting the business. And that's what this book shows you how to do. We also even have some real estate scripts that will help you approach a buyer or a seller and be feel confident on what to tell them. Right, so let me show you a couple chapters on the book. Here's your chapter, distressed properties, and I go through what does it mean, how to get them, how to work them. Here's how to work expired listings. And as you can see, they're very easy to read and very easy to understand. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you consider it, and I appreciate your time looking into my book. Thank you very much, and best of luck to you.